On behalf of Monmouth College and MTC Communications, welcome to the 7th Annual Fighting Scot Awards. While we again cannot physically be together in Dull Chapel to celebrate the accomplishments of Fighting Scot student athletes in person, our technical staff at Monmouth College has gone to great lengths to bring you tonight's awards. Tonight's awards could not happen without the support of MTC Communications, which supports events such as the Fighting Scot Awards, the Fighting Scot Golf Outing, which will be held next month, and so much more. So to MTC Communications, we say thank you for your support. Before we begin with the main program, we have a message from MTC Communications and Monmouth College President Clarence Wyatt for a few opening comments.
We all know that the virus has disrupted every aspect of life at Monmouth College over this past year, and it's presented challenges to each one of us. It's disrupted almost every aspect of the life that we cherish at Monmouth. Faculty, staff, students, families, all of us have had to meet these challenges. And these challenges have been particularly evident in our athletic programs. Athletics is such an important part of the Monmouth College experience, whether it's in the pool, on the courts, on the field, on the diamond. We'd love to either participate or to watch those who participate, cheer them on as they represent the school we love so well. And with the return of spring to our campus, the return of spring sports to our campus, and with the anticipation of a return to a full schedule of fall competition when we return later this year, it's important that we take a moment to say congratulations and to say thanks. First, congratulations and thanks to our student athletes. Your dedication, your discipline, your sense of teamwork, your commitment to your teammates has been an inspiration to all of us. A great thanks to our athletic staff. Our coaches and other members of the athletic staff are first and foremost educators. They are committed to the guided growth of young people, and that has never been in greater evidence than over this last year. I would not trade this staff for any at any college or university in America. I am grateful for all that you have done this past year. And I want to thank the families of our student athletes. We know that for many of you this last year has been a disappointment. You have been supporting, encouraging your son and daughter in their athletic pursuits since they were very young. And you were looking forward to the culmination of that in intercollegiate competition over this past year. We appreciate the fact that you have continued to support your sons and daughters and that you have understood the challenges that they and we have faced as an institution. I am grateful to all of you as well. So as we celebrate this year in athletics at Monmouth College, we do so with gratitude, and we do so most of all looking forward to this next year and all the years to come. Roll Scots!
MTC Communications would like to extend our congratulations, appreciation, and support of the Monmouth Fighting Scots athletes and community at the 2021 Annual Awards Ceremony. We're here today to acknowledge the Fighting Scots' sacrifice, flexibility, and hard work as we face another challenging year. I would like to commend you all for your strength, courage, and determination as you continue to uphold the Fighting Scots' high standards and congratulate you on your hard work and accomplishments this year.
We'd like to take a moment to recognize the passing of swim coach Tom Burek. Tom was a great friend and mentor to every student athlete and young coach in the athletic department. So we'd like to dedicate tonight's presentation of the Fighting Scot Awards in the memory of our friend Tom Burek. This time it's my pleasure to recognize new Director of Sports Information to Monmouth College Athletics, Nathan Believa.
Thanks, Coach Haynes, and thanks to the Monmouth community for welcoming me here over the last couple of months. Really excited to get going. Let's get into this award show, which is obviously a little bit different this year. We didn't have all the on-field events from the fall and the winter, so the on-field awards that have been part of the Fighting Scots Awards in the past will return next year. But what we do have is a whole lot of academic award winners, and we would like to honor them here today. We'll finish up with our prestigious Kim Mead Award and the Scots Leadership Award. But we're going to say thank you to nearly 100 seniors who really left their stamp on Monmouth as well. Our student athletes are well prepared for the future. Scots student athletes earned over 150 individual academic awards and have maintained at least a 3.3 grade point average to be so honored. Let's take a look at our academic award winners. Our student athletes also made the grade on the national level, but it wasn't just an individual effort. Multiple teams earned National Team Academic Awards in the past school year. Each year, the Kim Mead Outstanding Female Athlete Award is given to a senior woman who is an all-around student athlete, maintaining good academic standing, showing leadership on campus, and demonstrating responsibility as a student athlete. This year, we have 3 outstanding candidates. The nominees are Abby Tucker from volleyball, Mackenzie Baker from track and field, and Sarah Loeffler from women's soccer.
The Kim Mead Outstanding Female Athlete Award honors a senior female who is an all-around student athlete and maintains good academic standing while showing leadership and responsibility. During her 4 years at Monmouth College, the recipient of this year's Kim Mead Award has developed into the definition of what a Division III student athlete should be. Her dedication to workouts in track and field have seen her develop into one of the top sprinters in the Midwest Conference and the nation. Her academic work as an exercise science major has also landed her on the Dean's List multiple times with a cumulative GPA above 3.3. She serves as an excellent role model to male and female teammates alike in the sprints group. Her dedication to technical work on the track and in the weight room show the path to improvement for all of her teammates. It's my honor to recognize senior track and field athlete Mackenzie Baker as the 2021 Kim Mead Award winner.
I am honored to be able to accept the Kim Mead Award as a student athlete here at Monmouth. Monmouth has provided me with the best opportunity to be able to succeed in my academics and also my athletics. When I first visited Monmouth, it just gave me a sense of community, and I just completely fell in love with the college. I'm extremely blessed to be able to call it my home for the last 4 years, and I want to give a special shout out to my professors and coaches and my family that have pushed me throughout my 4 years, so thank you.
Tonight is bittersweet on a number of levels. We're not able to physically be together, but we can join together to recognize our nearly 100 senior student athletes who have helped build the Fighting Scot legacy. As the saying goes, you cannot be replaced, but you will be missed. As is tradition, we've saved our most valued award for last, the Fighting Scot Leadership Award. Whether directing a game-winning drive, scoring the game-winning goal in overtime, and earning All-American status are all great things, but in the eyes of a coach, leadership is perhaps a student-athlete's most valuable asset. Tonight we have 3 worthy candidates for the Fighting Scot Leadership Awards. Carter Lewis, football. Erica Bossard, women's soccer. And Preston Bochy, swimming and lacrosse.
Hi, I'm Chad Braun, the head football coach, and I'm here to nominate Carter Lewis for the Leadership Award. Carter was a 2-year starter as an outside linebacker for the Fighting Scots football team. He was first team all-conference in 2019. Despite tearing muscle fibers in his elbow, and straining his UCL in summer camp, he returned as the Scots won the Midwest Conference and earned an NCAA playoff berth. He was also part of the 2018 team that led the nation in scoring, just allowing 8.3 points a game. As a business and economics major, Lewis has earned a 3.75 GPA in the fall of 2020 and is a 3.5 overall grade point average. Off the field, Carter is a St. Jude runner and fundraiser while also volunteering for the cleanup day and at the Monmouth College youth football clinics at the YMCA. He also volunteered to be a date for the special needs individual Tim Tebow's Night to Shine event. Carter Lewis is your Leadership Award nominee.
First, I'd like to thank my parents for all the love and support. Also, I'd like to thank Coach Braun and the rest of the coaching staff for recruiting me to come to Monmouth and helping me grow as a player in person. Next, I'd like to thank my teammates for all the friendships we've made and memorable moments we've shared. And lastly, I'd like to thank the training staff here at Monmouth for helping all of us student athletes stay healthy throughout the season.
As we bring the 2021 Fighting Scots Awards to a close, we want to congratulate not only our award winners and nominees, but all our student athletes on continuing the tradition of Fighting Scots athletics, both on and off the field here at Monmouth College. Again, a big thank you to MTC Communications and our entire technical staff here at Monmouth College. Without their support, tonight would not have happened. Thank you, and good luck to all of our students on their final exams. We look forward to seeing everybody in the fall.